Account recovery starts here. If you've forgotten your details, head to the sign-in page. Ensure you are on Google's official recovery page before proceeding. Enter the Gmail address you are trying to recover and click Next. If you don't have your phone or recovery email, keep choosing Try Another Way. Google may ask you to wait. This is normal and can take 24 to 72 hours. Estimate your account creation date. Check old devices or emails for clues if you're unsure. Enter the most recent password you remember. Accuracy here helps verify your identity. Verify your usual sign-in location and device type to prove it's really you. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to proceed. Once submitted, Google will review your request. This process can take some time. Watch for a notification or email on your trusted device to approve the recovery. Create a strong, new password using symbols and unique characters. Immediately update your recovery email and phone number to prevent future lockouts. You're all set. Your access is now fully restored. If this helped, like and subscribe for more account recovery guides.